about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Ashley Caldwell Creative. This is episode 5. And today, the video that I am making because I wasted entirely way too many sheets of sticker paper. And I know that I cannot be the only person out there that is having this problem, or had this problem, or is going to have this problem. And unfortunately, despite the multitude of videos on YouTube currently telling you how to make stickers with your Silhouette Cameo 3, they do not do a good job of actually explaining how to keep the Cameo from cutting all the way through your sticker. Okay, that was my problem. My Cameo kept cutting through because I was just letting it. I was choosing the auto setting sticker paper, white sticker paper, assuming that it knew what to do. Because all the videos that I watched of other people, making them, they didn't change anything. And so I also, I said, well, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Well, I figured it out. And I'm going to share this with you all before you use too much sticker paper. So, as you can see, I have already actually created my sticker. And that is because your sticker could be totally different than mine. And this, honestly, what I'm going to show you has nothing to do with making the sticker. It is actually showing you how to cut the sticker without it cutting through your sticker paper. Okay, so we're going to go from the point of getting ready to cut it. So you can make your sticker on your own. This is my sticker. This is going to be the stickers for the outside of my, for my store, on the outside of my bags. That's why they're rather large. So the next thing that needs to happen is I need to select this whole thing. I have grouped it all together. All of this is grouped together. So if I move it up, no, it's not. Haha. Look at that. It's supposed to be though. Let's try again. Group it together. Okay, now it should be together. Okay, I thought it was. So it's selected. Then you need to go over here to open the offset panel and click offset. Okay. Now, I prefer a bigger offset just because I want something easy to grasp a hold of, to pull it, to separate it. A lot of people like it super thin, like changing it way down. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, it's gone down. I don't really like that. This is a personal preference right here. This is something that is going to be a what do you prefer, what do you like, okay? So now I have what is basically going to be your kiss cut, is what they're calling it. And if you watch all these other people's videos and they're like, oh, you need a kiss cut. Okay, well, what in the world is a kiss cut and how do I get it? This is as far as they explain it. You need to make an offset. Great. I did that, but it still cut through my paper. Well, there's more to it than just making this offset. So now you have your offset, okay? And now that you have your offset, I change it to black because even if it doesn't cut it quite perfectly, black it's still going to be fine. Now I'm going to group that. So now even the kiss cut or the offset is all together. And I'm going to go over here to open the replicate panel. And I'm going to see if maybe I can make one more. Okay. Highly unlikely, but let's see. Okay, so no. So I'm going to actually make this just a hair smaller, okay? Doesn't have to be ginormous, but I would like to at least get 2 per, there we go. 2 per sticker paper, because it is, I mean, I'm going to be using a lot of sticker paper. Okay, and then I can see something that I haven't done. I need to add my registration marks. Bam. Gotta move them down. Gotta have those registration marks on for this exact reason. Oh, is it gonna fit? Zoom in. Let's zoom in to make sure. Fits there. Does it overlap? Ooh. Does it fit here? Yes! Great. Oh, I think so. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so now this is where people leave you, okay? They leave you here. And I notice whenever some people tell you to bring these up, when I do it, it messes the whole thing up. So that is up to your own discretion whether you want to move these around, but that's part of why I wasted a lot of paper too. I will not be moving mine. So in the send panel, the only thing that I want checked is this black. That's it. The black. But now let's check it. Mine is currently set on 6.2, right? Speed 6, force 2. But typically, yours won't say that. Yours is going to say, this is what yours is going to say. I'll change it to what it will say. You'll be picking, probably, more than likely, you will pick, where is it? Sticker paper white. Speed 8, force of 14. That is what is causing it to go all the way through the paper. Can't do that. That is what messes it up. Even though it says sticker paper white and it knows it's sticker paper, it still doesn't do it right. So you have to make your own thing down here and change these settings and then add it. Add it to your, add it into a thing, okay? And if I were you, I mean, you can do it a little different than mine, try it, but 6.2 is perfect. It's perfect for mine. So, let me get another paper and we'll print it. No, print it. And I'll show you that I promise you that it really does, that solves the entire issue. I use the brand Rock, Paper, Scissors. Currently, that's the only brand I've tried so far. It's okay, but I think I'm going to change it to a glossy just because I think it will look a little more professional. But I am going to use up what I have because I paid so much for it. But once this is all used up, I am going to switch to a glossy for my business stuff because I think it will just look... Typically, I prefer matte finish on anything, but I just don't think it looks professional enough. So now you have your registration marks, you have everything on there, you have your paper loaded, file, print. I tried to do it on photo paper last time. It didn't look any different. It just took 50 hours to print it. So that's up to you how you want to print it. Some people say, oh, print it on photo paper or print it on whatever because it uses more ink and so it makes it look better. It did nothing for mine. So once you have it done and you have it ready to go on to send to print, you need to, typically it'll show up on simple. That's not what you want. You want line. And I made this outer black, so black, okay? You want only the black checked. And I have my settings set to 6, a speed of 6, and a force of 2, and still only 1 pass. You need to change your settings to this and then make a setting like I did. And I made mine sticker paper kiss cut because it's what everybody calls it. Apparently that's what it is. Whatever, I don't know. But anyways, it's a kiss cut. And you need to change your settings to a 6.2. Okay. Okay guys, so I just hit send and it is now reading the registration marks on these little lines here. Okay, that's how it's gonna know that I told it to cut that black kiss cut line and then nothing else. And that how forcefully, and so it's setting it now to the settings of what I chose, the 6-2. And as soon as it prints out, I will show you. And let me know if any of yours sounds like this. Mine has sounded like this since I got it. Like, to me it sounds like it's like grinding. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to sound like that. But it doesn't sound very nice. The end. Okay. Now I hit unload. And I want to show you, if you had not done the settings like I said, this, when you pull this up, your sticker would just pull right through. It would just stay stuck to this mat. But if you, sorry, I got one hand. If you do it this way, the way I just showed you to do it, you get a sticker.
The world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.